and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I got a new wig to share with you, and this is the unit right here. This is from the Stylist brand. This is invisible lace. It's HD 13 by 6 pre-plucked 100% human hair master blend. Okay, this is a fancy way of saying synthetic that you can curl. Okay, you can use any heating apparatus of your choice on this unit and it will cooperate like human hair. Okay, so I have this in a balayage caramel color. Okay, the name of the unit is Tastee. It does have baby heels. Okay, let's go ahead and check her out. I'm usually up in the air about these synthetic straight wigs. Normally if I get a synthetic wig, it's going to have some type of body or curl to it, because I'm not big on using the heating tools to my synthetic wigs because I don't keep them that long. I wear them out for a week, 2 weeks, however long they last. I can usually get a good 2 weeks out of a synthetic unit if I'm wearing it straight, and then I just throw it in the garbage, girl. Because to me that $29 or $39 is equivalent to going to the hair salon and getting a do. So I'm okay with that. So this is what it looks like out of the pack. I'm going to show you the cap construction. Alright, and I have a love-hate relationship with full lace wigs. I just don't like cutting lace and doing the most and sticking it down with sticky thick gels and glues. I don't like doing that. But look, the cap is standard. You have temple combs, a comb in the back, and an adjustable strap here in the back for added security. But the hair is so pretty though. I love the colors in this unit. She's really pretty. But I just love how far synthetic hairs have come. This literally looks like human hair. It really does. It looks real. Yeah, so it does have the little baby heels. Okay. Yes, she's really nice. Really, really nice. I love the unit. She's pretty. She's very pretty. Like I said, the hair looks like human hair. I love that texture to it. Yeah, girl, she's nice. Look at the colors in there. Yes. She's giving me life. I'm going to go ahead and cut her lace. And we're going to get her put on because she's pretty, girl. She is pretty. She's long. She has color. She has baby heels. Alright. She has a rather deep part. Okay. Love that. For a more realistic and natural look. Very nice. So, let's go ahead. Alright, so I'm back from putting it on, and girl, this is a lot of hair, girl. I don't know if I could do anything with this. You got to be ready to have some serious ambition going on with this one and know what you're going to do, because it's going to take some skill and some style. Just maybe not so much skill, but some creativity for this one, because it is so much hair. It's so thick. OMGG. Girl, I literally don't know. But I love the colors. The colors are very, very nice. I just wish it had more movement, more curl to it. I don't know. I seriously don't know. But I think I know what I'm going to do with it today, because this is the one I just opened. Pressed for time. So we're going to style this wig in a ponytail today. This is just going to be in a ponytail. I know people don't buy their wigs just to style them and put them in a ponytail. I know I don't. I like to wear my wig as it's styled on the picture, because that's what drawed me to the wig. But this one is just going to have to be a ponytail style, because this is so much hair. I would have to actually probably restyle this totally, because this just gives me practice wig hair vibes right now. Nonetheless, the color, the density is there if you like big hair, big, what's this, kinky style hair, or what do you call this? What do you call this texture? Is this kinky? Afrocentric hair. I guess. Look. Whatever it is. I don't know, but girl, I don't know. But nonetheless, the color's there. The density is there if you like thick hair. But yeah, Tastee. Yeah, this one would really hurt my feelings if I was really looking to be fly today and go somewhere in this wig, girl. My feelings would super be hurt right now. Just be super hurt. You know, she's cute though. It just needs a little shaping. It just needs some shaping. Okay. And some serious curling tools. Because it could be really cute if we cut some layers in it. Because this should be shorter. Kind of swoop curl to the side. Now the layering part isn't the problem for me. Because I can easily cut this in layers. Okay. That is the easiest thing to do. But keeping it styled, I'm just questioning that part. But nonetheless, it's real cute though. She's cute. The coloring is cute. I do love lengthy units. I love the length. But yeah, I'm just uncertain as to how to style this natural looking unit though. Like I said, I love the texture, this kinky like texture to it. It's cute. Let me know down below in the comments area if you like Tastee today. What would you do with Tastee? How would you style Tastee? Because like I said, I think it's going in a ponytail. Actually, let me go ahead and get it styled and I'll show you what I come up with, okay? Alright guys, so I'm back from styling it. This is all I came up with, but nonetheless, I think it's kind of cute and effortless. I just put 2 twists on either side and tied it back with some hairpins for this unit for a photo shoot. But I absolutely do love the texture of the hair. I'm loving the colors. Like I said, it's just one of those units that you just have to be prepared to be creative with. But nonetheless, the texture and everything about it is spot on. It looks just like human hair, feels like human hair even. Girl, it's everything, but just be prepared to, you know, get your style on, girl, because you're gonna have to do some things to it. Because other than that, it's just big, thick, textured hair. But yeah, it's cute, but just be prepared to be creative. Let me show you the back because I don't think I've shown you the back. But yeah, got this unit from samsbeauty.com. The direct link will be down below in the description box. As always, don't skip over it. Everything you need to know is always in the description box, okay? Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye! And make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications.